All right, so you guys see me screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So just like the old times, so this will be a consultation meeting. So let's start from week 1 up to week 6. So any questions so far under week 1 up to the last, which is until the week 6? If
None,
none,
sir.
just give me a quick thumbs up so let me know that you're good. Okay. So kung walang question, anyway, so with or without the others, i-group ko na lang kayo ngayon. Supposedly, we will do this one, after your midterm exam, but I decided to group you as early as of now so that you can prepare, or so you can have more time to prepare for your final project.
Sir, bali po, ilang po yung student po dito naka-enroll po sa CPED lang?
Ano yan?
Sir, ilan po naka-enroll sa sa subject mo, sa CPED draft po? Ilan po?
There's actually 2 sections. The first one, the morning section has 34 students, and this one has 24. So, dito siya. So we can have 5 groups. So there will be one group that will have 4 members in that group. Groups and citizens first group of the group leader. All right. So I will let the Canvas decide for your own groupings. So here are the created groupings. So group 1 will be Miss Gallegas, Santa Cruz, Oroga, Ubas, and then Pulmano. Group 2, Maaba, Ramos, Macapio, Soriano, and then Mesayas. And group 3 will be Damogo, Shador, Sarmiento, Ventura, and then Sakligan. And then for group 4, we have here Benlingan, Rosero, Pagyan, Skete, and then Gangas. And then group 5 will be Kamuntokan, Olucan, Donato, and then Martins. Okay. Well, the others are not here, so bahala na sila kung okay sila sa grouping sa to. But for those who are here, are you guys okay with your with your group mates right now?
Sir, bali, sir, ilang group ulit, sir? 5, no?
Yes.
Grabe, wala akong kilala sa kagrupo.
Kaya ito, sir, kaya ito, si Paul, si Racer po kasama ko po. Kilala ko po yan.
Sa Roland, Messias, right?
Group 2 so, sir. Nasa group 1 po si Racer po.
Ito, si Mr. Polmano.
Apo.
Do you want to go or any group basta magkasama kayo, parang ganun?
Yes, mo. Isa i-group 2 mo na siya, sir.
Naging magkaklase kami kasi sir sa ibang subject eh.
Sige nga, sir.
Mr. Soriano na lang ilipat ko. And Pulmano will go here, and then Soriano will go here. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Si Isagani, are you good with your group mates?
Di ko po alam, sir eh.
It's your privilege since you're present in my class right now. So I'm giving a chance to choose.
Sulitin naman, sir. Ay, ano? Doon na to, sulitin mo na. Oh. Tatlo lang tayo dito.
Sama ka na sa amin. Kaklase ka rin namin sa ibang subjects.
Oo nga.
Sige sige.
Alright, so mini, mo.
Ay, sir, matawating pa sa.
May
tumating isa pa.
Si John David. Hello, Mr. Kabuntokan.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
So we just made a grouping. So this is for your, your group for your final project. So to those who are present right now, I'm giving them a chance to, transfer if they want to. Okay, this is your privilege since you're present. Ito yung parang reward mo. Okay, so currently you are in group 5. So here are your other group members or group mates, Macabio, Martinez, and then Olucan. So are you good so far with this group mates of yours?
Okay lang sir, kahit saan.
That's good. Anyway, so wala naman ng iba. So I guess this is already good and final already. Okay, so wala nang changes dito. So going back to the with your final examination. So pinakita ko na kasi sa morning class just to give them an idea, what to do with their final project. So of course, you're going to have a proposal first. You're going to propose what project or what PCB layout you're going to design. So that would be key points. And then once it's already approved, then that's the only time that you can start designing that one on EagleCAD and doing the PCB design. Okay, and there will be no final exam anymore. Your final exam will be your final project, which is the block diagram, the flow chart, the breadboard layout. So you can use Fritzing or any tool or application that you're familiar with. So you must indicate what app or tool that you have used. So for example, you use Fritzing, so just use or just say I use Fritzing, something like that. And then I need the Fritzing file itself. Okay, so not just the screenshot, but the Fritzing file itself that I can open with the use of Fritzing application. So if you've used maybe circuit.io, then I need the circuit.io file itself, not just the screenshot. If you've used Proteus, then I need the Proteus file. Okay, not just the screenshot. So I hope very clear with this breadboard layout.
Sir, dun po sa simple project, Fritzing file po ba rin yung kailangan po doon?
Yes, yes.
Ah.
So
Sige po, salamat po.
actually kahit ano namang application. So I'm giving you guys the freedom to choose whatever applications you're comfortable with. So yung iba na umpisahan kasi nila sa maybe circuit.io. So pwede rin naman yan. Sige. As long as that application has a breadboard layout and design. It has a capability to design a breadboard. Okay. And of course,
Sir.
once you're done with those 3 requirements, then you can now start designing that one on the EagleCAD. So we have 2 parts for the EagleCAD. The first one is a schematic diagram. So this one is quite simple. All you do is drag and drop and then connect the necessary connections. So parang hindi to ganun kahirap. Okay. But for the board layouts, this is now where you have to route it properly on PC. Okay. So you will see later on or probably after your midterms on how to design a board layout. Schematic diagram is quite similar with breadboard layout. It's just that remove that breadboard and then it's already the schematic diagram of your project. Okay. So yeah, those are the only requirements for your final exam or for your final project. Okay. So there's 5 members or 4 in each group. So I would like you guys to help each other on how to finish these requirements for your final project. All right. So are we clear for your final project?
May pahabol pa.
Yes, sir.
Mabal pa. It's okay. So, sige, tanungin na lang natin siya. Mr. Angelo.
Good afternoon, sir.
Because we just made the groupings. So,
Okay, boss.
we have 5 groups. Okay, since 24 lang kayo dito. And then each group has 5 members. And then one group has 4 members. So, currently you are in group 3. So, are you good so far with your group mates? or would you like to be transferred to the other uh group uh or group numbers?
Okay na po, sir.
Okay ka na dyan. So yeah.
Yes, sir.
So kilalanin mo na lang sila. Okay, so si Mr. Damogo, Sarmiento, Ventura, and then si Plain. Anyway, I'll just show this this link right there, since currently this one is hidden. This one is not visible to you guys. So enabled ko na lang siya, so para makausap niyo yung mga group members no, or nakita niyo kung sino yung mga group mates niyo kung sakaling makalimutan niyo. Okay, so you can oops, bakit wala pa rin? Kamali yata ako ng grades people. There you go. So you can check your group mates and you can message them via Canvas also. So you can have communication with your group mates. Anyway, so here are the requirements, Mr. Angelo, for your final project. So I'm just giving you a heads up so that you can have more time to to think of what project you're going to propose, para mas mahaba yung oras nyo sa paggawa ng mga requirements. So number 1 is black diagram of your project, the chart of your project, and then the breadboard layout, and then lastly is the schematic diagram and then board layout with the use of AutoCAD. Okay, so there will be no final exam anymore. So whatever is your final project, just submit it here, and then that's already your final exam. So are we clear with that one, Angela?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, kailan ulit pinag-joke ng project, sir? Kailan po ulit?
Ngayon?
Yung due ng project, sir, kailan po? Deadline po.
Whenever is your final exam, that will be the due date of your final project. I think April 8. So parang 2 months pa. March 8, hindi naman. 1 month and parang 2 months pa. Kasi February 5 pa lang ngayon. And then March 8 will be a month from now. And then, 2 months and 3 days. We still have 2 months and 3 days from now. Though, nasa midterm pa lang tayo. That's why I still have 2 months from now. Pero binibigyan ko na kayo ng idea para mas mahaba-haba. Kasi talagang, lalo na kung maraming components ng project nyo, it's really hard to route it properly. So are we clear with the due date of your final project?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So since we are already on the exam schedule, so your midterm exam will be on February 19. So we still have 1 meeting left, which will be on February 12. Okay. However, we will not meet on February 12 anymore since, as always, I'm giving this meeting before your exam as your free time. Okay. So just use the time to finish all the given activities by your instructors, of course, including me. So kung may hindi ka pa tapos, just use the time to finish that particular activity. Okay. So again, no meeting next week, and then your exam will be on February 19, and then we'll just meet after your midterm exams. That will be on February 26. Right, so I hope we're clear with that one. What else? Yes. So yeah, I guess those are the only things that I need to say. So yeah, all right. So once again, anyone who has a question or clarification from week 1 to week 6? So I guess none. Alright, so
Sir, sa midterm exam ba natin mag-fritzing ba, sir?
Secret.
Okay.
Surprise. Actually, obvious naman. I think nakita niya na since nag-navigate ako dito, nakikita niya yung mga requirements. So we have here multiple choice and then flowchart and diagram. So alam niyo na siguro yung ibig sabihin nun. Okay? So this is under your midterm exam. Alright? But that's the secret for inyo. So, syempre dapat alam nyo yung mga yun. Kung sakali may fritzing, then dapat kabisado nyo na yan kung paano mag Any other questions? So yes, no more questions. Then yeah, that's all for today. So as always, thank you guys for coming. I really appreciate it. And yeah, let's just meet again after your midterm exam. That will be on February 26th. So a blessed day to all of you. Happy weekend and keep safe as always. So you guys may know.
Sige, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you po.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Goodbye.